Well, tonight, Jupiter, the most spectacular planet in the solar system, can be seen by the naked eye just under the moon. David Moore from Astronomy Ireland is on the line to talk to us about it. David, they say this is going to be one of the most incredible sights in the night sky this year.
Absolutely. We want people to get outside and take a look at the moon this evening. Something similar happened last December with the planet Venus, and our phone lines were inundated with calls, people asking what was that extremely bright object blazing next to the moon. Well, it's going to happen again tonight. Let's just hope for clear skies.
It will be, and it'll be Jupiter. OK, tell me about Jupiter. What do we need to know?
Well, to the naked eye, it just looks like a brilliant star. It's about a dozen times brighter than the very brightest star in the sky, so it's absolutely unmistakable. It will be there for several months to come. In fact, we had big Jupiter watches all around the country last Friday to show people up close in telescopes. There's details of that on our website, astronomy.ie. But tonight you'll see the moon, which is, of course, even if there's just breaks in the clouds, you're going to see the glow from the moon. And just to its lower left, this brilliant star, almost stuck on the edge. That's the planet Jupiter, 400 million miles away. You'd need to squash 1,300 Earths together to get an object as big as Jupiter. But it is nearly 2,000 times further away than the moon is, so it looks like the smaller of the two in the sky.
You call it the solar system's vacuum cleaner. What do you mean by that?
Well, there's 300 times more material in Jupiter than there is in the Earth, so its gravity is much more intense. And comets coming in from the outer solar system crash into Jupiter. It sucks them in like a big hoover, which is good for the Earth because we've been protected by Jupiter. People may remember back in 1994, I think it was, there was 24 comets that blasted Jupiter and peppered its entire surface with impacts. And this happened again this year in July. There were pictures in our magazine, people may remember. This object was just one object on its own, probably the size of about a kilometre or so across. But it gave Jupiter a black eye as big as the Earth. So imagine an exploding mushroom cloud the size of the Earth. Gives you some idea of the ferocity of things that go off out in space.
Just incredible. Well, I hope there will be clear skies tonight. Thank you very much, David, for joining us there. It's going to be from 8 o'clock on. You'll be able to see it, and then it'll be there for the rest of the night and longer.
As soon as it gets dark, and you'll see it for the whole night. So it's something you can see with the naked eye. Tell all your friends and family to get out and watch it. Do email us if you see it, or send us any photographs. It's going to be very easy to record with almost any camera. Even a camera phone will probably snap it.
Excellent, excellent. Keep the kids up late tonight and get them out. Thanks for that, David.
My pleasure.
Sheila.
Everyone will be just staring up at the skies tonight.